Animal cruelty भाई ये नहीं चल सकता.
This word is not pronounced as cruelty. It's pronounced as cruelty. Cruelty.
He wanted me to help him speak up against cruelty towards Ayes.
You only want your own individuality.
This word is not pronounced as individuality. It's pronounced as individuality. Individuality. Any word that ends with this is pronounced as ality, such as spirituality, functionality. But there are a few exceptions, such as quality, inequality, equality.
I think कि सबसे ज़्यादा important है individuality.
I felt that what I could bring to the Congress Party and bring to politics was precisely my individuality.
तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था ऐसे statistic क्या होता है. This word is not pronounced as statistics. It's pronounced as statistics. Statistics.
That's the actual statistic.
We see them as statistics.
I remember 3.5 करोड़ का debt था.
This word is not pronounced as debt with the B sound. It's pronounced as debt. Debt. The B is silent.
The question is there a debt? Does Britain owe reparations?
मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं films करूँ.
Indian film industry.
This word is not pronounced as film. It's pronounced as film. Film.
Once I say yes for a film, God, it's such a beautiful film.
In which I'm producing a lot of TV and film for them.
तो सबसे पहला question.
This word is not pronounced as question. It's question. Question.
Well, that's a silent question I think everybody normally ends up asking, right?
The question is there a debt?
अच्छा आपका favorite comedian कौन है? आप देख लीजिए कितने भी comedian आप उनका.
This word is not pronounced as comedian. It's pronounced as comedian. Comedian.
Especially for stand-up comedians.
कि सारे comedians black पहनते हैं.
Amongst all the terms like comedian.
Cleanliness.
This word is not pronounced as cleanliness. It's cleanliness. Cleanliness.
I think cleanliness.
मैं तो divorce दूंगी नहीं. मैं तो divorce दूंगी नहीं.
This word is not pronounced as divorce. It's divorce. Divorce.
Separation या divorce को propagate करना.
आपने मेरे और मानव के बारे में भी ये कहा था और मैं उसको divorce करना. पहले क्या था कि जो भी है निभा लो. Which is why people never got divorced. ये character अभी तूने हर episode में थोड़ा सा करना है.
और जो मेरा character है मुझे पसंद है. This word is not pronounced as character. It's pronounced as character. Character. The stress is on the first syllable. After they finish dubbing all the other characters.
If you want to leave behind a legacy of films and characters, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to very very happy birthday.
This word is not pronounced as birthday. It's pronounced as birthday. Birthday.
Happy birthday. Wishing you a happy and the best birthday ever. Maybe I'm just talking about those
Miracles do happen.
This word is not pronounced as miracle. It's pronounced as miracle. Miracle.
Life is the miracle you are searching for.
Miracle, it was not written.
Wow, what a miracle.
Now chamatkar means miracle. A miracle is near.
ये में आपकी priorities बदल जाती है. फिर आप नहीं पूछते हो आप कैसे आए हो, कितने बजे पहुंचोगे.
This word is not pronounced as priority. It's pronounced as priority. Priority. Priority is something that is the most important. That comes first.
I think priorities have changed. The number one priority in my life right now is my daughter.
I know what my priorities are and I know I'm going to hit those priorities in those 10 hours.
पता ना पंजाब से आई मेरे को cold cough हो गया.
This word is not pronounced as cough. It's cough. Cough.
Earlier I used to give it to them only when they had a slight cough.
Let's see कि किसे वो competitor मानता है और किसे वो अपना दोस्त मानता है.
This word is not competitor. It's competitor. Competitor.
You have to compare them with the tariffs being levied on some of our competitors.
There is a mischievous childlike quality in Salman.
This word is not pronounced as mischievous. It's mischievous. Mischievous. Mischievous can be used to describe somebody who likes to play pranks and is a naughty person.
He looks very Sida, but he's very mischievous.
Now let's move on to some words that can be pronounced in two ways. This word can be pronounced as both vitamin.
I'm going to do Vitamin C is like a sort of like a vitamin.
And vitamin. Vitamin. But vitamin is incorrect.
You can't combine vitamin C with something else.
Vitamin C is an antioxidant.
This word can again be pronounced in two ways. You can either say education, education with a ear sound,
He will always take that time out for his kids, for their education.
Education is something that stays with you forever.
or you can also say education, education with a j sound.
Education in our country is not just
I was also all about education.
This word can be pronounced in two ways again. It can be both privacy, privacy,
There is a certain line that you cannot cross of privacy.
and privacy, privacy.
even in the privacy of their living room behind closed doors.
To be recognized and have no privacy.
But I understand that dilemma.
This word can be pronounced as dilemma, but is more commonly pronounced as dilemma. This is because the stress is on the second syllable, so we weaken the first syllable and pronounce it with a schwa sound. Dilemma.
A serious dilemma.
This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. You found the video helpful and entertaining. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you next time.